Hey, so a very good morning to all of you. So welcome to the second day of your UIIC AO daily GA practice with reference to finance. So as you know that we are continuing this series for your UIIC examination, which is scheduled for the next month in the month of December. As in the syllabus, they have given that they will be asking you in GA portion, they will be asking you the question that has a specific reference to finance. So in that series, we are trying to conduct because many of you feel somewhat inconvenience in covering the finance related GA. So we will cover those. So the question of the day, the first question of the day is the shares of the investment company rose a staggering 6.7 million percent. So this is very important figure. And this is the buzzword nowadays, the shares of LSIT, right? Who have not heard about this, right? The shares grew by 6.7 million percent. Just it was trading to 3.5%, and it rose to around 2.36 lakhs, beating MRF, which was the highest priced share in India. So LCD has beaten the MRF in that, and its value of its share rose to 236250 per piece, or that is per share. So this is a buzzword nowadays in the stock market, right? So why this has happened? This has happened actually due to no price band, because you know that whenever you purchase share, there are some rules: lower circuit and the higher circuit, upper circuit, what we call. So this was a special auction, by the SEBI, and this was with no price band, means there will be no upper circuit. So the price of this share keep on rising, and it went up to this, and it was highest price share. So the question is that in this Mumbai-based LSID and BFC, that is, which of the following promoters has a stake of 75%? Because ye to sabko pata hai, this everybody might be knowing because it is breaking the headlines of the newspaper. So can you answer this? Which of the following has the highest stake in this? 75%: Mahindra, SDFC, Asian Paints, Bajaj Finance, Reliance Finance. So the right answer for this is Asian Paints. Asian Paints is the right answer. Let's move on to the next question of the day. Axis Bank is likely to raise 3,000 crore rupees through the issuance of the AT1 bonds. So additional tier 1 bonds, right? These bonds are very important for your examination. This year RBI has also asked, and previous year also multiple examinations have asked about the additional tier 1 bonds, right? So the question is, which of the following is not a feature of AT1 bond? So AT1 bonds have a call option. Yes, they have a call option. AT1 bonds are issued by bank in accordance. Yes, it's as per the direction of Reserve Bank of India. AT1 bonds are perpetual. Definitely, these are perpetual and do not have any maturity date. Absolutely right. Investors in these bonds do not get their principal back. Again, this is right, because in this bonds, the work is as per the interest that you get from these bonds. So this is right. So obviously the option is right. All options are correct over there related to AT1 bonds. So you can read more about, me pausing these videos, why AT1 bonds, why Axis bond, or why SBI is trying to have this AT1 bonds. One more important feature I will tell you: AT1 bonds are also called in short as COCO bond. What are COCO bonds? Contingent convertible bonds. Okay, so this is important. Such type of things they ask in the examination. Why they are called COCO bonds? They are perpetual bonds, meaning they have no maturity date, as we have seen in one of the options. And issuer does not pay back the principal amount. So this was also in the option. Okay, so this you always keep in mind for your objective examination. Next question: according to UIDAI guideline, insurance companies can launch anticipated surety bonds, because you all are appearing for different insurance regulatory based examination like IRDAI, UIIC, NIACL. So surety bonds are very important for you in this context, right? So the regulator has said the premium charge for the all surety insurance policies underwritten in a financial year, including installments due in subsequent year for this policy, should not exceed dash portion of the gross total premium of that year, subject to a maximum of how many crores? So please fill in the blanks: 10, 100, 20, 100, 10, 500, 20, 500, none. So right answer for this is 10%, maximum of 500 crores. Now, what are these surety bonds? So surety bonds are insurance bonds. You can say also that it is a financial guarantee that a contractor will fulfill their contractual obligation. Very important, right? It is a risk transfer mechanism. So you can understand with this, diagram over there. See, some project is going on and you have given the some project. The contractor will not complete or not complete. Who will test the risk? So there is a third party who will gives the surety, the insurance companies, that if the contractor, right, does not complete the project, then they will pay the whatever the monetary things related to that project is. So there are basically three parties, right? The principal or the obliger, the surety, the companies, and the obligee or the project owner. So issues a contract to the contractor, contractor pays premium to the companies, and that gives a guarantee to the obligee. So in this manner, three-party arrangement, what it does, the shares or transfer the financial risk, right? If the contractor do not completes the or does not completes the work, right? So if I'm not joined our clarity, right, telegram channel, please do join it. You can visit our website also, c4scourses.in, for daily current affairs. You can see in the last column we have update on the daily current affairs, and if you have any queries, you can mail us at the following email id. So if you have not joined our UIIC crash course come test series program, where you will be getting full length test, special sessions on the finances, GA PDFs for the last 6 months, English objective and the subjective sessions will be there so that you score more. We will also giving you online platform to type the answers, because you know UIIC examination you have to type the English, right? So this is the schedule of the test series. If you want to know more about in detail, please visit our website, c4scourses.in. There you will get the detail. So the next question of the day is, it is a platform by RBI that facilitates the seamless flow of customers' digitized financial and non-financial data from the multiple data sources providers to the lenders, making credit underwriting seamless, customer journeys frictionless for the diverse range of borrowers. So it is a very important initiative by RBI, right? RBI, can you name the project? Can you name the project of the RBI in which they have started this seamless facility, right? Right? Can you name this project? Please comment in the comment box. And the question is being asked that which is this platform is being referred in this paragraph. So the first option is platform of platforms. Then is integrated financial networks. Then is unified linked interface. There's unified lending interface, and last is unified digital network. So the right answer is unified lending interface. And please comment me in the comment box in which project RBI has started this first. Next, the last question, because daily we are taking five questions. Bima Vahak is a women centric. So this is very important term over here. They can ask you in the fill in the blank type of question. Bima Vahak is a women centric insurance distribution channel by the IRDAI. Insurance related news, very important for your IRDAI, for your UIC, for your NICL, whatever exams you are giving. Right. The aim of the IRDAI is to give insurance products to all within the every gram panchayats of the country. So it talks about it should reach to the every gram panchayat with the help of this Bima Vahaks. So the ADI says that it should reach the gram panchayat before what is the deadline, because IBPS asks such deadline based questions. So the options are 24 December 24, March 25, December 25, March 26, December 26. So right answer for this is December 2024. This is very important both for your ADI examinations as well. So what is this Bima Vahak? Bima Vahak are local intermediaries who are responsible for making insurance available, accessible in rural area. Okay? Insurance distribution, insurance awareness, KYC compliance, policy, financial inclusion, electronic communication, identification of car, grievance redressal, complaint handling. These are some of the important features of this Bima Vahak. So that's all for today. Again, we will come tomorrow with GA question based on finance, which are current in nature, and that is important for your upcoming examination. Bye-bye. Take care.